This is your IELTS speaking exam where examiner number is 734521 and the candidate number is 29870. What is your full name, please?
My full name is 𝐿𝐶𝐓 Ihsanullah, but you could call me 𝐿𝐶𝐓.
May I see your ID card, please?
Why not? Sure.
Alright. Do you work or study?
Recently I have done BS English, but nowadays I am working as a volunteer in different kind of academies.
Alright. Where are you from?
Basically I am from Swat, but currently I am living in Islamabad.
How did you choose the subject of English?
One of my acquaintances gave me this idea that you should go for BS English because nowadays this is one of the best field and it has a lot of scopes in the contemporary era.
Alright. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I usually like traveling. Like I usually go to different kind of places and I explore different kind of places in Pakistan, and sometimes I go abroad when I have a lot of money.
Alright. Do you use maps a lot?
Yeah, nowadays it is like technological era, and whenever I go to any new place, like I'm a stranger, so in this kind of situation I often use the map.
Alright. What type of maps are you most comfortable with? Digital ones or phone or paper map?
Yeah, this is a good question. I use different kind of map. It depends on situation. Sometimes I use word map, sometimes I use street map. Whenever there is a big place I go for the word map, but when there is a small place I use street map, which help me a lot.
Alright, moving towards part 2 cue card, where you know about the situation, like 1 minute would be given to you to prepare, but currently I would like to directly you to speak on the topic, and you're supposed to speak on that topic for 2 minutes. The topic is describe a place in your city you recommend to tourists. You should say what the place is, where it is, why it is interesting, and explain what people can do there.
Okay. Let me share one of my own experience. After that I will tell you that why it is beautiful and why it is famous. Last year I went to Gumrot along with my friend for a couple of weeks, and I really enjoyed it. When I went there I saw such awe-inspiring places, and it was like a sightseeing I cannot explain, and the place was really sleepy, and the people were really, there were like a sense of community were also there, and you can say that another important thing was that the cost of living was not so much high as compared to other tourist places, and the place was really touristy. You can say touristy. That's why I highly recommended this place to you, that you should, whenever you come to Pakistan or whenever you come to Swat, you should go to Gumrot Valley and you will explore different kind of awe-inspiring places.
Alright, okay, moving towards part 3 discussion. What kind of special places are there in your hometown?
Would you mind repeat the question?
What kind of special places are there in your hometown?
Yeah, there are different kind of sightseeing places in my hometown, like in Swat, like Kalam, Gumrot, and Malamjaba. These are some famous places, well-known places, and these are also called touristy places, and most of the people when come to Swat, they go to these kind of places.
Alright. What kind of places or activities in your hometown would you recommend to visitors?
Yeah, there is a different kind of activities. Whenever you go to Swat, you should go to the you should search for the fruit. There are different kind of fruits are available, and my hometown Swat is famous for, well known for different kind of fruit. You should eat different kind of fruits like mango, apple. These are some famous foods.
Very nice. Okay, why would you recommend these places are visiting areas?
I highly recommended these places because these are touristy places, and I have already told you that the cost of living is also not very high as compared to other tourist places. For example, if you go to any other tourist place in Pakistan, it may be the cost of living may be high, but if you visit, the people are always hospitable, and there are like a sense of community is also there.
Alright, the next question. Why people have started migration to European countries nowadays?
This is the question I have heard so many times, and I shared my different opinion regarding this question. In my point of view, in my opinion, nowadays most of the people are traveling towards European countries because as far as Pakistan is concerned, the current situation of Pakistan is not good. So most of the people are traveling towards European country and they want to make their life financially stable.
All right. What are the positive and negative aspects of this trend?
Yeah, there are different kind of aspects. Like it may be a positive and maybe a negative. The advantages and disadvantages. First, let me share the advantages. First, let me share the advantages of European trend of this country. Whenever you go to a broad country and you live your own country, so it has a lot of disadvantages. You live your family, you live your children. So this is a disadvantage, and the advantages are that you will become financially better as compared to Pakistan. You cannot find good opportunities after education in Pakistan. So you should.
All right. This interview was really understanding and amazing. You got 7 band overall, and the matter like why I did not give you the score 7.5 for 8 band, that is very clear. And part 2 cue card you use and for more than 5 times. Furthermore, that like it seems like this person is lacking little bit fluency, not more, little bit, right? So because it only I observed only once. Another thing, you said somewhere you can say you can enjoy, like in part 2 answer. Now whenever you give example to examiner, the formal way of giving example is to say one can enjoy, one can get a pleasure. Do not if a person would not say you can enjoy, instead of you, second person pronoun, if a person use one can enjoy, the person would, that would be a little bit more formal and a little bit more, you know, appreciable.
One can enjoy.
Yes, one other person or someone can enjoy, you know, so that would be a little bit more. And along with that, the last comment is on your facial gestures. It should be friendly in front of the examiner. Then inshallah you can get 8+ bands inshallah. Thank you.